Hello and welcome to Under the Hood. This is Jay and I'm on my way to the smokehouse where we have a few of you wonderful iRockers coming down for the first time in a very long time. I thought we'd do an unboxing video. I've just collected something really cool and I thought it would be awesome if one of you guys opened it up when I get to the studio. So without further ado, let's get to the studio and I'll see you in a mo. Hey, all right. So, I've just arrived at the smokehouse. Look who I've bumped into.
Hey, Dad.
All right, now we're at the smokehouse, Kaylee. There is a few little things we've got to do when we get into the smokehouse, okay? So when we get in, let's make sure we sanitize our hands. Ready to do that? Let's do it. So sanitize the hands, and then down here, we've actually got a QR code where you can sign in, okay? Awesome stuff. Let's get making Under the Hood. All right. So we've got people online, we've got the microphone, we've got all the equipment set up, everybody here. Caden, are you ready to unbox the box?
Yeah, why not?
Musty, are you ready for this?
Yes.
Good.
Oh, yes.
Kaylin, are you ready for this? Let's do it. Open it. Go for it. Go for it. It is something for the car. Of course, some of the footage over there online.
Wait, why is your screen cut?
Just a black screen, Jay.
Okay.
Now it's just a blank screen. Okay. Right, here we go. Keep it going.
So yeah, I'm a cable guy. I'll be the cable guy.
No, I'll just use your hands.
Yes.
It's easier.
I did see on the side of the
Got an
box.
Opti workout bench
No.
with 30 kilo
It's
weights.
not an Opti workout bench, I'm afraid. I don't think so. Here we go. All right.
This is like some sort of Ant and Dex show, isn't it? This is crazy.
It is.
This is mad.
What is it? Oh, more tape.
More
One of
time.
those Saturday morning
Oh,
shows
yeah.
like SMTV or whatever the kids watch these days.
All right. Yeah. Okay. That's
Super
cool.
Mario TP.
That should be good enough.
CD UK. Oh,
Oh, here we go. What is it? It's something for a car.
Exhaust.
Oh, it is as well.
it's an exhaust.
What do you think?
Like a fidget
You,
spinner.
do you want to take it out?
Take it out, have a look, come on.
This is for the Alpha.
And show
Yeah.
the camera. You show the camera, I'll get the shot.
Okay.
Got the two end pipes. It's going to mount there.
Yeah. There's the mount.
Just got protective stuff on it.
Uh huh.
So which bit is the bit that comes out the back of the car?
This end.
That end is it?
Yeah.
How many things has it got? Like 5?
4 in total.
4.
There we go.
It's got 4 things. 4 pipes. 4 pipes?
Yeah.
There we go.
It's one word review time for the hand-built wizard back box. Well, lack of back box. Musty, what are you saying? One word review.
Okay, Caden.
What are you saying, Caden?
Pretty decent.
That's not one word.
Pretty decent. It's a 2-word review. Go for it, Joe.
Sausages.
That's a 1-word review, Musty.
2 words.
Yeah.
That's one.
And
Both.
Love it, man. Elbows.
I'd say radical.
What do you think? Caleb, come back in.
Caleb,
What do you think of the exhaust? Hand-built by Wizard.
is it rock?
Yeah.
All right. See you later. Oh, no. Let's go to everybody online. George Hammond, 1-word review. What do you think?
Loud.
What do you think, Hayden? Oh, it's not Hayden. There you are.
Pointless.
Pointless? Oh, we'll find out for real.
Oh.
Ava, send in what you think. Let's go and make a video. Bye-bye, everyone.